To the review. First look at the remote. So it's got a nice aerial, quite bent at the moment. And I got this in August 1999, part of the 215 range. It says Rast R or Rastar. And yeah, it's just four simple buttons really. You got an up, and you got side to side. Side to side there. Down, up, reverse, forward, backwards. Fish there in the background. See you 3D. Anyway, so yeah. And it lights up whenever you move it, as you can see there. So let's have a look at the car. It is an Audi there. So it's an Audi R8 LMS. Here's the front of it. It's got a bumper there. It's been bashed a bit. Got ring spoiler with an Audi sticker. Got nice detail on it for only £10. So let's have a look if we can have a go at this. Play with it. Clear the area. Put that there. Let's do this. So it's a nice toy. I am pretty nice with my cars. Pretty good at driving them. It's because I'm a goalkeeper and I do have fast reactions. So here's top speed. Quite fast. And now I'm going to actually show you the top speed. So what I'm going to do is it's going to go along like that. And you're going to see how fast it is. So let's start from the beginning. And here we go, guys. I'll do it again, further away this time. I have to turn this so you can hit the camera. Do this once more. To make it crack. Ooh. Crash it, guys. Crash it into this. Ooh. Go around it. See, the sheer power of this can maybe push this. That's gonna most probably be it for this review. It's been quite a long toy remote control view. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this review today. I just want to test one more thing out. So if that stops, can it go over my Lego bricks? Let me just take my Lego brick. I really need to get one and stuff like this. Here we go, and let's do it. Can't go up it. I want it to go up there though. And first an angle it might. Let's find some targets to crash this stuff down. Just put these up. Put the crash into, and at the end you have to crash Iron Man. So let's do this. Just crush everything first. Oh, but it's crushed Iron Man down anyway. Let's see if we can get this slow motion crash into Iron Man. I'll see if I can slow mo the camera down. So there we go. And we missed that one. Oh! Let's see that again in action replay. Action replay now. Well, that's going to be it for this review. And we'll see you guys in future reviews. Bye. See ya.